Every summer, millions of people trust this machine to keep them alive in brutal heat. But almost nobody knows how an air conditioner is actually made. A modern air conditioner factory can produce thousands of units every single day. But every AC starts the same way. But the real magic of an air conditioner happens here, inside the heat exchanger. This is the component responsible for moving heat to pins. This is where things start looking futuristic. Many modern factories are now heavily automated. Robotic arms handle one of the... Now we reach the heart of the air conditioner. The compressor. This is the component that actually pumps refrigerant through the system, and it's one of the most complex parts to manufacture. Every air conditioner actually contains two separate heat exchangers, the evaporator and the condenser. Inside your home, the evaporator absorbs heat from indoor air. Modern systems are basically computers with cooling systems attached. Factories now install sophisticated control boards filled with sensors and microprocessors. Now comes one of the most important steps in the entire factory, the vacuum test. Before refrigerant...
Once the system passes vacuum testing, the refrigerant is finally added. This process is incredibly precise. Too little refrigerant reduces cooling.
Before leaving the factory, every air conditioner faces brutal testing. Some units are randomly selected for extreme stress tests designed to simulate years of operation. Once approved, the final assemble begins. Plastic covers are attached, logos are added, protective films are applied. Air conditioners may seem ordinary, but behind every unit is an enormous chain of engineering, automation, chemistry, ancients. But what most people never see is the secret laboratory hidden deep inside the factory. Because building an air conditioner is one thing, Inside these giant environmental chambers, male African-American engineers recreate some of the harshest weather conditions on Earth. The refrigerant inside the system constantly changes between liquid and gas. As it evaporates, it absorbs heat from inside your room. Older air conditioners use simple on-off compressors. They blast it at full power, then shut off completely. A single air conditioner may contain components from multiple countries, copper tubing from one continent. Electronic systems. The next generation of air conditioners may look completely different. Engineers are already developing systems that
If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory deep dive, subscribe for more videos on how the world's most important machines are actually made. And comment below, what factory should we go inside next?